What's up, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm bringing you a long overdue update on our giveaway F150. Now, real quick, if you aren't already familiar with this truck, we'll have a giveaway page linked down below that has some information on how to get entered to win this, but we're going to be giving away this whole F150 loaded up, totally built out. It's going to be a really cool truck by the time we're through with it, so make sure you get your email punched in and take a look at some of the rules on how to get extra entries and really boost your chances to win this vehicle. Now, with that out of the way, obviously a couple things have changed here, and one of the things I promised in the first video when we revealed this truck was a set of Icon suspension. And Icon pulled through in a big way. They got us a Stage 5 kit, which is about the best you could possibly do on this truck. And essentially what that means is we've got some 2.5 coilovers up front with those external resis. It's got the CDC adjustments on there, so you can really dial in the ride, get it a little bit more stiff or soft depending on how you want to use the truck. And then it also came with their billet aluminum upper control arms that have the delta joint in there. So really it is all the top tier stuff that Icon has. Then in the back, it's kind of the same story. We've got 2.5 rear shocks with that piggyback reservoir, and those also have CDC adjusters, so you can really dial in the rear as well. And it just makes for an awesome kit overall. I mean, not only does it look amazing, but the stance of the truck is pretty much perfect right where it sits now. And this is going to be a super capable truck off-road just because this suspension is made to take a beating. Now, what I didn't mention in that first video was a specific wheel and tire combination, but thankfully our friends at Black Rhino and Cooper Tires hooked us up with a really good setup for this truck. The wheels we've got are Black Rhino's Ridge wheel, which I think looks kind of like a Raptor wheel from the newer second-gen trucks, but it's a little bit more off-roady, a little bit more rugged, and this is in sort of a semi-gloss finish. We did a 17 by 8.5, which is also very similar to a Raptor-sized wheel, and then we wrapped that in Cooper's SDT Pros here. This is one of the best mud terrains that they make, and these are a 315 70 by 17. So once again, sticking very true to kind of Raptor sort of sizes for this truck to give it that bulkier look and more of a desert Baja runner feel. But this is an ultra aggressive tire with a really good wheel. You've got plenty of sidewall here to air down. It's going to be super capable on the trails. And overall, Cooper just has a good reputation for making nice tires. So this is going to work excellent with that Icon suspension. You can already see that the fitment and everything looks just right on this truck. We will have to do a little bit of trimming just to get stuff cleaned up and make sure we're not clipping on the plastic in the fenders. But a lot of that's going to come pretty easily, especially with the next set of mods that we're doing. One of the things I also mentioned in that first video was that ADD was jumping on board to help us out with some bumpers and equipment, and just off camera, we've got a pallet full of stuff from them ready to go. So you guys will be seeing that pretty shortly as we start to jump into those installs too and get a front bumper and rear bumper and some new equipment on this truck to really start filling out the look and giving us a bit more clearance within those wheel wells. That being said, one of the next videos you're probably going to see pretty quick is the actual full install on the Icon suspension, so definitely keep an eye out for that video once it goes up so you can see how to get this installed and get an idea of what really went into it. But it's also worth mentioning that if you wanted some more details on Icon suspension, or CDC adjustments, or just kind of the general build and Icon's philosophy, we have some really good videos with Scott where he came in and explained a lot of the engineering side of Icon and how it works and what really makes their suspension stand out, so definitely check those videos out as well. That's all I've got for you guys for now with this little build update. We will have more coming in the future as we continue to work on this truck, but we just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste tester for where it sits right now. So as I said at the beginning of the video, definitely make sure you get entered and try and boost your chances. This is not a vehicle you're going to want to miss out on. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.